Moto Talk 300 XC 2023. These bikes amaze me. I'm going to show you something you can do on this bike that my 4-stroke factory edition 450 just can't do. Okay, first, second, third. I'm in third gear. I'm going to go down here to this 180 through this G out 180 rut, pull out a third, and make it all the way to the next turn without shifting. They pull so long, guys. It may sound loud, but it still wasn't quite revved out. Yes, you could have shifted there, but on my 4-stroke, I shift twice right there, guys. It's kind of nuts. These things are pretty amazing, man. I still think the TBIs, the TBIs are great if you're doing just single track. But if you're doing riding like this, GNCC, GP, turn track, I mean, you can do a little moto on this. These TBIs will do it all, dude. If you're on the fence about getting a TBI, don't be, man. They're amazing. As for 250 versus 300, your 250 is going to rev a little faster. Your 250 is going to feel a bit more playful because of that faster rev. But everything you're used to doing on a 250, you can also do on this 300. It's going to feel a little different. It's going to feel maybe a little more 450S, but it can be done. Looking for Weston, I don't see him.